Alright, so we done made it out to the event, guys. I'm here by myself. I don't know nobody out here. This is a whole new experience for me. I thought it was a free event, but I had to pay $10 to get in, which it ain't too bad. It's a Friday night. I think it started at 5 p.m. But y'all know out here in Houston, Texas, it's hotter than a fool out here. So, you know, I had to wait for all that to die down, and you can see behind me, ain't no sun out. It's still a little warm, but it feels a lot better than it did at 5 p.m. So I decided to come out here a little later in the evening to see what it was about. So let's go take a look around. Hey man, they got the Tundra out here with the suicides on them. Man, I heard that. Alright, so I think I've been out here, and I'm trying to walk away from the music, but I've been out here for about 25 minutes now, and I've just been recording a lot of stuff. I'm loving this so far. I don't know anybody. I haven't really talked to anybody yet. I plan on maybe talking to some people who have some pretty unique builds. So far, it's a nice little vibe out here. They got a couple of, imported foreigns, and they got a few classic cars out here. Of course, your typical Camaros, Dodge Chargers, Dodge Challengers, Mustangs, of course, those are out here. I'm not really a fan of those kind of cars. I'm more of a foreign guy, you know what I'm saying? I'm more of a imported kind of guy. So that's really what I'm here for. But I'll still put some of that in the video for y'all who go crazy over the Hellcats and stuff like that. But that ain't my cup of tea. Anyway, let's get back to the video. So I'm here with my main man, Josh. He got this 68 Camaro. I don't even know what kind of blue that is, but it's beautiful. Go ahead and let them know what all you did to it. How did it start out?
It's a 68 Camaro. It started out as a 350 carbureted setup. So basically, I just LS swapped it. It's a 6.0 iron block. It's on E85 BS Racing turbo. It's making about 800 to the wheels. Magna Fuel 750 fuel system. Got the fuel sump in the back and everything. So it's a mid 9-second car.
I see.
Mid 9-second.
And how long have you been building it?
I've had the car for about 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
And how bad? Like, what was the condition when you first bought it?
Body wise, I bought the body already like this. I just added the stripes and upgraded the wheels and everything.
Okay. You ain't have to do too much.
Yeah. Start off with something kind of fresh.
Well, look, Josh, man, you got a beautiful car, bro.
Man, I appreciate it, man.
Keep it up.
I appreciate it.
right, y'all. That'll about do it for me. I done been out here since like, I don't know, like 8:10. It's like 9:45 now. I only been out here like an hour and a half. I can tell I'm getting old because I want to go home already. I think the event was from 5 p.m. to 1 a.m. I definitely ain't staying out here till no 1 a.m. Y'all can have all that. But I done pretty much seen everything I needed to see. Maybe if I was with more people, I'd stay a little longer. But I'm here by myself, so I'm about to take it into the crib. I had a good night. I had a good footage. I only did like one interview, and but that's okay. Yeah. What's going on, my man? Man, we out here at the Houston car meet. You know what I'm saying? Getting it in, man. Just I guess networking and getting the footage. Yep. Trying to make something shake. You know what I mean? My man Ken. How long you been YouTubing?
So I've been doing it for 3 years, but I had slacked off for a little minute.
Hey man,
but I got back on
it. Don't beat yourself up about it. You know, you start, and then the key is you picked it back up and you finna finish.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So hey, much luck to you. Blessings to you in your YouTube journey. You know what I'm saying? We on the same journey. Consistency is the key. All right, so we done made it back to the crib. It's about, what time is it? About 10:30. I got out there about 8:10. I left about 10 o'clock. So I'm like, yeah, I know I'm getting old. I wasn't even out there 2 hours, y'all. I know I'm getting old. I just want my bed right now. It was an interesting day. I didn't talk to too many people. There was a few cars there that I liked. It wasn't very, very much that I liked there. Everything that I did like and that I thought was unique and worth, you know, adding to the video. You already saw it, of course. I think my favorite was that Camaro. Blue is my favorite color. Even though my favorite cars are imported, that blue Camaro was just done pretty right. You know, he could have cleaned it up a little bit more to make it just, you know what I'm saying? All in all, I would say that was my favorite build there. And so shout out to everybody who you know, went out, all the vendors. I got a couple t-shirts, went out there, had me some, you know what I'm saying, some of that little pineapple drink. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, it was a really good night. Now, I'm finna go upstairs and go to sleep. So that's all for the video. I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching, for sticking with me to the end. Go ahead and like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am going to be doing a 100 subscriber giveaway, so go ahead. You don't want to miss that. I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet. I'm still new to the YouTube scene, but I'm gonna figure it out. Like I said, I just want to thank each and every one of you for watching to the end of this video. It means more than words could ever say. So until next time, I'll catch y'all on the back end.